Hello everyone, my name is Nishanon. I am 10 years old. My name is Dara Tona. I am 9 years old. My name is Bonsuchana. I am 11 years old. My name is Hosudra. I am 10 years old. We are students at Happy Academy. Today we are going to show you about how to make the delicious soup. Okay, now before we make it, I would like to tell you about some ingredients to make the delicious soup. This one, vegetable, pot, ladle. This one, gas stove, and gas canister, and cutting board, and knife. This is lobster, octopus, pork. This is clear noodle, lamb, egg. This is tacong sauce, soy sauce, chili sauce, soup water, chopstick, spoon, fork, and bowl. Okay, start. First, pour soup water into the pot. And then turn on the gas. We wait until the soup water boiling now. Put vegetable. Put lobster. Octopus, pork, and clear noodle, and the last one noodle. One more is egg. Okay, now can eat together.
Is it delicious, everyone?
Yes.